Samsung fans across the globe are looking forward to the Galaxy S23 series launch. The company is expected to unveil the new lineup early next month. Before that happens, we can expect to see more leaks and rumors leading up to the launch. Rumored to debut on February 1st, we're less than a month out from the potential unveiling of all three phones. Earlier, we got our best look yet at all four colors, both for the smaller Galaxy S23 and its S-Pen-equipped big brother, the Ultra. And now we got its pricing too. The rumored Korean prices for the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra have been shared on Twitter. It's alleged that the prices come from Korea's SK Telecom, but also could be the work of a random tipster, so a pinch of salt needs to be taken with the details. If the Samsung Galaxy S23 prices are true, then it will be a somewhat expected price increase considering the supposed upgraded specifications. The rumored Galaxy S23 price tags are between 10% and almost 20% higher than their predecessors. Of course, there will be many factors and variables to account for when deciding on the final prices for the US dollar amounts. But if you use the S22 launch prices for the US and then add the supposed Korean percentage difference to the S23 series, you end up with these potential prices, which are somewhat like this. The vanilla model S23 will start around $899, while the S23 Plus will have a price tag of $1,099, which is almost the pricing of last year's S22 Ultra model. Meanwhile, the S23 Ultra model will start around $1,299. Basically, the members of the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup could come with a $100 price hike over their respective predecessors, which, while it might not please many, would likely be acceptable to most. The same source also states a Galaxy S23 launch in early February, with advanced booking taking place from February 7 to February 16 and pre-opening or pre-ordering, continuing from February 13 to February 16. Earlier, we got to know that Samsung is reportedly planning to offer the Galaxy S23 for the same price as the Galaxy S22, even if it means a further drop in the company's operating profit. Typically, Samsung slashes the prices of its phones as they age. With the Galaxy S23, it might do the exact opposite. Even if Samsung doesn't hike the prices of the Galaxy S23, expect it to at least not slash them, which will increase the company's profits and still maintain the competitiveness with the iPhone 15 series. This rumor is getting interesting as we are coming closer to the Galaxy Unpacked event. Samsung fans across the globe are looking forward to the Galaxy S23 series launch, and their main focus would be the pricing itself. So, what are your opinion on these pricing rumors? What do you think could be the best pricing margin for upcoming S23 lineup? Let us know it down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.